That's right. We're by a Quick Trip nearby that town, and there's been a lot of snow, a lot of wind, and a lot of drivers just trying to get out of those driving conditions. Here at this Quick Trip, you can see it's very busy, and the spaces are filling up very fast. Now, at 5 p.m., in the background of my shot, we showed you a trucker who was doing some kind of quirky exercises. We weren't exactly sure what they were, but I decided to find out for you all. This is Josh. He is doing meteor spitting, which is some kind of flow exercise, and he says that it keeps his stress levels down and it keeps him warm even in freezing temperatures like this. Now, if you're not Josh, it's probably pretty difficult to keep your spirits high in a snowstorm like this. I'm sure it was much easier a little bit earlier on in the day. And take a look at how quickly those conditions change throughout the day. We have a story for you tonight. Keith Rockwell's morning drive wasn't too bad.
It's just time to relax and rest up.
We talked to Keith around 11 when his spirits were still high.
It's pretty mild right now. We'll see what happens after that.
And an hour later,
I'd rather be home.
he had a different outlook.
Looks like it's gonna get pretty nasty.
He and other truckers say this is bad.
Sucks. It's cold. My dogs don't like it. My wife don't like it.
Sure, they've seen a blizzard or two, but this change was sudden.
Bad winter storms, yes, but not just a snap of the fingers, no.
About noon is when the snow started falling again. Yeah.
Kristen Saylor oversees Steele County's emergency management. She says all responders are ready to help tonight.
Making sure that they have all the resources that they need and prepping for sheltering at the armory.
Some drivers tell us they'll go as far as they can in the weather.
We've hit some bad spots.
Others say parking lots will be home for the night.
The weather here can change in a heartbeat.
So Josh is actually one of those truckers who will be staying at this Quick Trip tonight. But of course, we want to just emphasize how dangerous these roads can be. Yes, you can have a lot of fun in conditions like this, but you need to be safe as well. There have been really big gusts, a lot of snow, and we definitely want you to be careful out on those roads.